In this video, we are going to look at the difference between inflation and depreciation. So inflation talks about increasing in prices or increasing in value. If you notice, its formula is very similar to the compound interest formula, only we don't have the compounding component with it. Depreciation is your decrease in value. Again, notice it is very similar, only here we are subtracting. So depreciation means going down, so we subtract. Okay. So I have these two examples, one for inflation, one for depreciation. So suppose your salary in 2012 is $65,000. If the annual inflation rate is 4%, what salary do you need to make in 2020 in order to keep up with inflation? So the first thing that we have to do is you have to calculate the years. So your T is going to be the year 2020 minus 2012, which means we're talking about an 8-year change. Now with that, we started with your p-value being the salary in 2012, which is $65,000. We're going to multiply that by 1 plus, the rate is 4%, so 0.04. And we're going to raise that to the number of years, 8 years. So in this case, if everything goes well, then you should be expected to be making $88,956.99 in the year 2020. Now let's say we bought a car that was $30,000 and it depreciates at a steady rate of 12%. We want to find the current market value if the car is 10 years old. So here we're starting with a car that is $30,000, 1 minus the rate, which is 12%, so 0.12, and we've got it for 10 years. So when we do that, the car is going to be worth $8,355.03. The biggest difference between these two problems that we had to pay attention to is the wording in the problem. Does it say inflation or did it say depreciate? So those are the two vocab words that you have to pay attention to when working these problems. That's going to tell you if you use the addition version or if you use the subtraction version of our equation. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, I do hope you enjoyed this very short example of inflation and depreciation. And I'll see you next time.